The internet is going crazy over OpenClaw. OpenClaw is the AI assistant framework that's taking over X. People are calling it the future of AI agents. GitHub stars are exploding. And here's the thing, developers are literally buying Mac Minis just to run it locally. $600 hardware investments, setting up home servers, running it 24/7. But here's the problem. You've got to configure Docker environments, set up port forwarding, manage dependencies, keep it running 24/7, and hope your home internet doesn't go down. What if you could skip all that and just deploy it? In this video, I'll show you how to build OpenClaw Cloud, a platform that lets you deploy your own OpenClaw instance with one click. No Mac Mini required, no DevOps headaches. But here's the twist. I'm not just coding it. I'm using 3 of the most powerful AI development tools together. Lovable.dev generates the full stack in minutes. Railway.com handles all the infrastructure and provisioning. Magic Patterns makes the UI actually stand out. This is the secret sauce. In this video, you'll see how I combine these tools to build something that would normally take a team of engineers months. And I'll show you why Magic Patterns is the differentiator that prevents this from looking like every other AI deployment platform out there. Let's dive in. This is OpenClaw Cloud, a platform that makes deploying OpenClaw completely effortless. Clean design, clear value proposition, 3 pricing tiers, starter at $9, pro at $29, enterprise at $99. Notice the design? This isn't your typical AI deployment tool. It has personality, style. It looks like Gumroad meets retro computing. Want to spin up an OpenClaw instance? Pick your plan. Choose your region. Name your instance. Click Deploy. That's it. 3 minutes later, your OpenClaw instance is live. Click the URL. You're taken directly to OpenClaw's setup interface. This is where you configure your AI assistant. Choose your model. Configure tools and integrations. Easy, guided, beautiful. Back in OpenClaw Cloud, your dashboard shows all your instances: status, plan, region, public URL. Managing multiple instances? Easy. Delete one? Click a button. Railway infrastructure gets cleaned up automatically. Now let me show you how this was built. Most developers start coding immediately. I'm starting with design with Magic Patterns. I'm first going to download and install the Chrome extension from the Chrome Web Store. Now that I have the extension installed, I'm using Gumroad's design as my inspiration. Their product pages are clean, focused, and conversion optimized. I'll capture elements I like directly from Gumroad: product cards, pricing sections, call to action buttons. Click, captured. No pixel measuring, no copying code, just instant import. Now I have my starting point, Gumroad's proven design patterns. I'm going to edit this with AI and convert this into UI components that I can then customize. This is where it gets interesting. I'm not stuck with Gumroad's exact style. I'm going to add to the infinite canvas to fork and explore different design. I'll select Add Canvas, create and name my canvas. I'll fork this design and try completely different directions. Let's try a retro design with bold colors and geometric shapes, something that appeals to old school charm and radiates a cool vibe. That looks really awesome, but not quite what I want. It's good, but not quite. Let's double down on that and go for a bold 1970s retro design with warm earth tones and rounded corners and dark theme. Let's also change the UI framework to Shad Cyan. Boom! Same layout, completely different aesthetics. The retro version, fun and memorable. The 1970s version, nostalgic and unique. Dark theme. Nice. I can keep forking. Minimalist, neo-brutalist, whatever direction I want to explore. Now that I've found a direction I like, I'll drill down into the specific design by opening this in an editor. Magic Patterns has a chat interface for each design where I can make further tweaks. For example, let's adjust the color palette to be more muted and include animation during the selection of UI elements. Each tweak happens and I can quickly iterate in real time without touching any code. And look, an updated design with muted colors and animation on hover. This is truly magic. Now that I'm happy with the design, I copy this design as code, but I'm not using it directly. I'm using it as a prompt for lovable.dev. I'll tell lovable.dev what to build and then say, please use styling from this code, and I paste the magic patterns code. Lovable.dev will generate the full app using my design as the foundation. Now I have a design. Time to make it functional. Let me navigate to lovable.dev. I'll describe what I want. Build OpenClaw Cloud, a web app where users can deploy their own OpenClaw AI assistant instances on Railway using this template. It has a landing page with hero, features, stats, and pricing sections. A dashboard page shows deployed instances with their status, plan, region, and public URL with options to delete them. A deploy page lets users name their instance, pick a plan, choose a region, and deploy. And the prompt continues. Please use styling from this code, and I paste the magic patterns code. In minutes, Lovable generates a landing page with hero, features, stats, and pricing. Dashboard with real-time instance management. Deploy page with plan selection and region picker. Railway GraphQL API integration. Real infrastructure provisioning. All styled with the magic patterns design. And look at this, it's already beautiful. Because I included the magic patterns design in my prompt, Lovable didn't generate generic-looking components. No manual integration, no replacing components. It's already there. So how does this app work? When a user clicks deploy, frontend calls Railway API to provision new OpenClaw instance. Railway spins up the OpenClaw template. Frontend pulls deployment status. Once live, user gets a ready message. Click to open OpenClaw's web setup. This is the power of combining these tools. Magic patterns for design, lovable.dev for frontend, Railway for infrastructure. Each tool doing what it does best. So let's recap. Here's why this approach is so powerful. Speed to market. Traditional development. Design, 2 to 4 weeks. Frontend, 4 to 6 weeks. Backend, 2 to 4 weeks. Total, 8 to 14 weeks. This approach. Design with magic patterns, 30 minutes. Full stack app with lovable.dev, 30 minutes. Infrastructure with Railway, 60 minutes. Total, 2 to 3 hours, 50 times faster. Design quality. Most AI tools skip design entirely. It's for developers. They don't care. But they do care. Good design feels professional, trustworthy, premium. Magic Patterns makes great design accessible without hiring a designer. Iterability. Don't like the design? Generate 10 more variations in minutes. Need a new feature? Lovable.dev adds it in hours. Want to change infrastructure? Railway handles it. You're not locked into decisions. You can iterate rapidly. So that's OpenClaw Cloud, built in hours, not weeks. Now here's what I want you to do. First, try this yourself. Build something. Magic Patterns has a free tier. Lovable.dev gives you free credits. Railway has a free starter plan. You literally have no excuse not to experiment. Second, I want to know what you would build with this stack. OpenClaw deployment? An AI chatbot platform? A no-code automation SaaS? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one. Third, if you're serious about AI automation and want to go deeper than YouTube tutorials, join the AI automation engineering community. I run weekly office hours, share exclusive workflows, and we have a whole library of N8N templates and automation blueprints. Link in the description. And if you found this valuable, smash that like button. It tells YouTube to show this to more builders like you. Subscribe if you haven't already. I'm releasing tutorials like this every week. I'm Derek. Thanks for watching. Now go build something.